The Indian Ministry of External Affairs held its weekly press conference on Friday. The Indian Foreign Ministry spokesperson mentioned about the recent developments in the Doordarshan global case in Qatar, extradition of UN-proscribed terrorist Hafiz Saeed, and the upcoming general elections in Bangladesh.
जो सेंटेंस है उसको रिड्यूस किया गया है.
In a big development, the Qatari court commuted death sentence of 8 Indians. In follow-up to that verdict, India's Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Arindam Bagchi said that sentences have been reduced and the team will be discussing the next possible steps with the legal team and the family members.
This case is now in the court of appeal, as it's called. And there have been 3 hearings in the Qatar Court of Appeal, on November 23rd, November 30th, and December 7th. Meanwhile, our ambassador in Doha got consular access, mentioned that last time we met, to meet all the 8 men on December 3rd. This is an important issue that we are following, and you know that how we can get our people back to India soon, at the earliest. That is what is driving us.
Answering a question on the extradition request to Pakistan for Hafiz Saeed, the ministry said that India has conveyed a request to the government of Pakistan to extradite him to India.
Participate in elections is something perhaps I should comment on. We have seen some reports in this regard. It is an internal affair, so let me not comment on it. But the mainstreaming of radical terrorist outfits in Pakistan is nothing new. On our part, we will, of course, continue to monitor all developments that have an implication on our national security. He is also a UN-proscribed terrorist. In this regard, we have conveyed a request, along with relevant supporting documents, to the government of India to extradite him, government of Pakistan, to extradite him to India to face trial in a particular case. I think that is what you were referring to. So yes, we have of course been flagging the issue of activities that he's been wanted for. In this case, you specifically mentioned whether we wanted to extradite him. Yes, there has been a request sent.
On the aircraft grounded in France with Indian passengers on board that recently returned to India, the ministry said that few Indians have stayed back and the matter is being dealt by French authorities. On the situation in the Red Sea, MEA spokesperson said that India values the free movement of commercial shipping but is not part of any multilateral initiative or operation in or around the Red Sea.
We value the free movement of commercial shipping, which is one of the fundamental principles underpinning global commerce. We are carefully evaluating all aspects of the unfolding situation in that region. Our defense forces are taking necessary measures in this regard, and in that context, I would also like to say I'm not in agreement whether we are in a position to defend or not. But I'm not aware that India is part of any multilateral initiative or operation presently in or around the Red Sea.
The ministry also reiterated its stand on the upcoming general elections in Bangladesh and said that elections are the domestic matter of Bangladesh. And as a friend and close partner of Bangladesh, India would like to see peaceful and fair elections there. Meghna Dev's report, DD India.